Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Namaste. I hope you're having a good day. Um, Welcome to Lady Shar Reacts. I'm so happy to be with y'all today, bringing you Token. Love this guy. His freestyles are fire. His music is fire. This is the first time I've reacted to him on my channel, though. And he just put out this cough freestyle a few days ago. I've heard it was fire. I've been trying to get to it. Um, Cut me a little bit of slack for being late, please. Appreciate it. Um, what? I haven't subscribed. Have now. Okay. Let's do this full screen. And comment, like, hashtag share the music, and hit the subscribe button, y'all. That's all I'm asking, is to share the music and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all thought of my reaction. Let's get into this.
Getting over this fucking cough, man.
Hey, brand new crib, I love to wake up top at the same time as my breakup. That girl dread this like Jamaica. Window blacker than 2, 3 a.m. I whip wearing that shit like makeup. I touch up my rim like layup. My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hold. My only intention is.
What did he say? With the pen word flipping? What? This is going to be a long ass video if I got to keep going back for all these bars.
My deal didn't come with no pay cut. Still moving independent, no pendant. My pendant, everything I hold. My only intention is attention or tension in the air like smoke. That girl keep loving me too much. I only love back whenever they don't. Ride me so quickly, my dick feels like some getaway car she stole. I get a repertoire of flows, and I still set the bar with those. Tell my chick I really don't trick, but I got a deck of card on hose. My patience thin, I'm Kendall. Temper short, I'm Kevin Hart below. I still live life like I'm broken, bitch. I'm very far from broken. Now I'm in a whole new bracket. Now I got a whole new tactic. I used to record in the closet. In between all them jackets, Ma told me that I wouldn't be average. Proved her right, I became established. They want me to be way more active, but my life can't fit in no caption. I begin in the UK, grow my traction. Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, Papa Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got a girlfriend, no more attachment.
That's the line April G. Showers. Shout out, girl. Fist bump. That's the line that April was telling me about. I gotta go back for it. Maybe back just a tiny bit further. Let's hear this line. His pockets look pornographic because he's stacking the. I don't remember what he said on top of the Benjamins.
Get my money, fly home and stack it. Queen Elizabeth, Papa Franklin. My pockets look pornographic. I don't got a girlfriend, no more attachment. Ovary leading to overreaction. Kill a pussy, leave an open casket. Just so the broken have it. I'ma get the homies active, no distraction. Bitch got moves like Jackson, lips like Tony Braxton. Ain't a fascist, but my whip is German. Think I drove the fastest. Tigers passing, I control her vision. Plus I buy her lashes, lashing out. I buy her bag in this life. I imagine this that shit you barely on. Know this shit a marathon. Money first, I put the bag above us all like it's a carry-on. And she barely even my.
I put the money first above us all like a carry-on. Come on with the baggage bars.
All like it's a carry-on. And she barely even my type, dog. I don't really care at all. I just condition her so well, she'll think this shit a hair salon. Just met she let me hit it off the bat. I think she think I'm bare bones. I like that shit, but I can't trust you. Once this trick, I'm there and gone. Disappear, these rappers probably diss me, cause I won't let them share a song. They fucking engaging in the war, little bitch. Let's get the marriage on. Let's go. I can only do the freestyle shit when the time getting free to turn the baby keem up. I'ma get the pussy when I get the meat up. I'ma get the weapon when I get the prenup. I'ma get the money when I get to read up. Save it till I buy myself enough freedom. When I get to ease up, I'ma calm down. Never get my seat up. And my brand new girl don't even got an IG, so I just implore them. My old girl tried too hard to go viral, I got a royal. I just got me a deal, still spinning like I can't afford a lawyer, but I got 3 in my fucking corner. I can give you up covers, couple corners on the fuck.
Awesome. what did it say was coming next week? Curfew? Curfew coming next week, which is not very long away because I'm late. That was Token, Cough Freestyle. He went off. It was fire. Sorry I didn't stop for all the bars because we would have got nowhere because it was bar after bar after bar. But I hope you enjoyed my reaction. Please hit the like, leave a comment down below. The link to the original video will be in the description box. Stay safe, take care of each other, and stay your ass at home. Till next time, peace. I'm out.